Hello, today we're gonna do the weighted average method for the same question. So we have exercise 6:20 and we're gonna do requirement number 3 now, okay, which is using the weighted average method. Okay, so now this is the perpetual inventory record. We have 3 main columns: purchases, cost of goods sold, and inventory on hand, which is the balance. Okay, so now we have the transactions down here. This is the question. We're gonna start with October 1st. Beginning merchandise inventory 20 units at 66 each. So under the balance, I'm gonna write 20 at 66 each. So it's gonna be 1,320. Then on October 11, we had a purchase of 8 units at 73 each. So under purchases, I'm gonna write 8 at 73 each. So the total will be 584. Okay? Now, we used to say that I have 20 units at 66 each and additional 8 units at 73 each in the balance under FIFO and LIFO. But now under the weighted average, we cannot do that. We need to find the average cost. We cannot have 2 unit costs. Okay, so we're gonna do the following. I'm gonna add the units. I had 20, I purchased 8, so I have 28 in total. The total cost for the 20 units was 1,320. The total cost for the 8 units was 584. So we're gonna add them up. It's gonna be 1,904. Now, to find the average cost, I'm gonna divide total cost by number of units. So 1,904 divided by 28, it's gonna be 68. Okay. So we need to do this step after each purchase. So we're gonna do this step after each purchase on 11th and on 26th. Also, we're gonna find the average unit cost. Now, on October 23rd, sale of 15 units at 86 each. Again, this is the sales price, it's not the cost. So this one will help me to find the sales revenue, not the cost of goods sold. So I want to sell 15 units. So I'm gonna go to cost of goods sold. I'm gonna write 15 units. I'm gonna look at my previous balance. I had 28 units. I want to sell 15. Okay, what's the unit cost? It's 68, which is the average. So 15 times 68, it's gonna be 1,020. Now what's left? I had 28 units, I sold 15. Okay, so 13 units left. 13 at 68 each. It's gonna be 884. Now on October 26th, we had another purchase of 13 units at 84 each. So 13 times 84, it's gonna be 1092. Now again, under FIFO and LIFO, we used to say that we have 13 units at 68 each and 13 units at 84 each. But under weighted average method, we cannot do that. I need to find the average unit cost. So I'm gonna add the units, 13 plus 13, it's gonna be 26 units. And I'm gonna add the total cost. So the first 13 units, total cost was 884. The next 13 units, the total cost was 1092. So 884 plus 1092, it's gonna be 1976. Now to find the average unit cost, I need to divide the total cost divided by number of units. So it's gonna be 76. Okay. Now on October 29th, sale transaction, 15 units at 86 each. Again, the 86 is the sales price. It's gonna help you to find sales revenue, not cost of goods sold. So now I need to look at my previous balance. I had 26 units at 76 each, so I want to sell 15. The cost for each one is 76. So the total will be 1140. Now what's left? We had 26 units, 15 sold. So we have 11 units left at 76 each. So it's gonna be 836. Now let's find the totals. For the purchases, we had 21 units in total. 584 plus 1092, it's gonna be 1676. Now for the cost of goods sold, we had 30 units sold. The total cost 1020 plus 1140 equals 2160. Now for the ending, we're gonna take only the last box, which is 11 at 836. So this was your beginning balance, and this is your ending balance. Okay, let's find now the gross profit under weighted average method, which is sales revenue less cost of goods sold. Sales revenue, we need to look at the sales transactions. We had 2. So the first one on 23rd, 15 units at 86 each. On 29th, 15 units at 86 each. So in total, we had 30 units at 86 each. So it's going to be 2,580. And cost of goods sold, from here, it's 2,160. So the gross profit will be 2,580 less 2,160. It's going to be 420. Now let's check our answers. We have this equation, which is beginning plus purchases less ending equals cost of goods sold. beginning balance is 1,320, purchases is 1,676, ending is 836. Then you need to check with this number. So the beginning is 1,320, purchases 1,676, ending is 836. Now let's solve for x. 1320 plus 1676 less 836. Will I get the same answer as the cost of goods sold? Will I get 2160? Yes, we did. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe.